Hello, everyone. My name is Zach Harson, and I am one of the co-founders, along with my wife, of Acton Academy Lincoln down here in Southwest Lincoln. And just thought I would bring you a quick video today. I'm outside in the start of our outdoor classroom, which right now is just a couple picnic tables, but we are building that out now that the snow has melted here and getting ready for spring. But that's beside the point. The point is that I have had two tours today, both from parents who were formerly in a Montessori program here in Lincoln, and we love Montessori. We have some great Montessori elements and Montessori tools within our studio, especially our Spark studio for kind of our pre-K, kindergarten, first grade program. And so we love incorporating those elements of Maria Montessori and bringing some of those things into what we're doing here at Acton. But both these families were kind of just lost and not knowing what to do after graduating or aging out of Montessori. And how do I go from this freedom of movement, freedom of thought, freedom of expression, and just owning my my education to a traditional model and sitting in a classroom and sitting still and being talked at, and to learn and teach, or learn and try and grow. And one family actually did that, and they went to a public school here in Lincoln. Lincoln has great public schools, but it just wasn't a good fit because they had already seen and been exposed to the positive side of that learner-driven education that we have at Acton and that Montessori does as well. And so I just want to take a moment to invite you guys to come down to Acton Academy here in Lincoln and see what we're doing, see what we're building, and see how Acton can be a great stepping stone and building block upon the foundations that your family might have experienced in a Montessori program or some other alternative program here in Lincoln that just provides that freedom of expression and thought as that child develops and learns, and not feel stuck that I've now aged out of this program and my only option is to go a more traditional route. So we'd love to have you come down and take a tour and be one of those families that's checking us out after aging out or graduating from a alternative program or Montessori program here in Lincoln, and love to meet you, hear your story, and learn more about you. Thanks so much.